everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I made these two lovely Thanksgiving items only using Dollar Tree items. Please stay tuned for the rest of this video. So now you're going to want to pick up 3 of these Dollar Tree pumpkins, acrylic paints in the color that you like, and I pre-painted this bottom, but I don't think I'm going to be using it. Each of these things costs $1.25 each. And then you're going to want to paint the base of your pumpkin. The other 2 I left as is because they did not need to be painted. I also have a cup of water to wash my brush out. Make sure the surface that you're painting on is protected. As you can see, I'm using a paper plate so I don't get any on my table. Okay, after the first layer, you're going to put this aside to dry. I'm going to move these aside and get started on the next project. Get your glue gun. You're going to want to pick up some dried flowers from the Dollar Tree, some LED light that I saw in the section that they had like the candles, these sticky Velcro tabs. You're also going to get these plastic cups, which are skinny, clear plastic cups from the Dollar Tree, and this glue that they also sell in the Dollar Tree. Now, the first thing you're going to do is get one of your cups and you're going to attach it to the center of this leaf with your glue gun, and you're going to let it dry. Now, once that dry, you're going to get scissors and cut your flowers to the length that you want, or twist it, because that's what I went ahead and did. You just bend it and twist it. And then you're just going to use the flower to cover just a part of the cup at the bottom. Now, this took me a little while to kind of twist and bend it. I probably should have used some shears to cut this. It probably would have made it easier. If you got shears, you could go ahead and do that. This thing took me a little while to figure out. But after you figure it out, you're just going to use your hot glue gun to attach it and make sure it's not covering the cup all the way up, just slightly. Now, I'm going to use these as like hanging lights, night lights for the house, and I am telling you guys, these came out so pretty. I'm going ahead and using some glue to attach these little plants, flowers that are on the leaves because they're falling off. Yeah, and now I'm attaching this to my leaf. And look how easy this project is. It's, it really takes no time to put together. I am just a nervous Nelly, as you guys can hear in my voice. So to put this together is a little bit of workout for me. But it was really fun to do and really, really easy, really, really cute. And look how nice and lovely that looks. I know I don't have this in the frame completely. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really bad at this. Hopefully one day I'll get better. So now I'm going to use both of my glues. I'm going to use the glue that I just showed you that I got from Dollar Tree. And they have this in the industrial section. And I'm going to attach that to the back. To be honest, I had to go back in and use my glue gun to attach this again because it didn't stay. As you can see, this is not completely dry. You definitely want to make sure this dries properly before you. So I'm going to set this aside to dry again, and then I'm going to continue on my other craft. I hope I'm not confusing you guys with what I'm doing. I just kind of feel like, it would have just been a waste of time to just standing around waiting for everything to dry. So now that the first layer of my pumpkin is dry, I'm going to go in with my gold metallic paint. I did not get this one from Dollar Tree. I think I got it from Michael's. They do sell really nice paints if you wanted to pick up some. And look at how that is coming along nicely. I wanted it to match the velour pumpkin that I had, and the other one that was really, really like a nice orange, but it was like shiny. So I wanted to have the same effect on this pumpkin. This was just one of the regular pumpkins that they had that didn't really have much done to it. So I just wanted to dress it up a little bit. It was just orange and it was just styrofoam. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this aside to dry. All right, I did add some glitter I forgot that I had some glitter to embellish this a little bit. Yes, I am doing a voiceover because it's kind of hard to record and do this at the same time. And the glitter definitely gave it like a pop. I had to dust some of it off. So I went back in and just dabbed it with one of these sponge brushes to kind of like spread it out a little bit. And I'm a crafter. I really love crafting, so I hope you guys are enjoying this. I normally do all my crafts for each of the season. And it's fun to do it with the kids. That's when my daughter is interested to do anything with me, because most of the time she doesn't want to. And look how lovely that looks. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish this up. And once I am done painting this, I'm gonna put this aside to dry once more. And then we're gonna go back to our previous project. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the LED lights to this lovely leaf light that I am making for my wall. And you just wanna go ahead and take these out of the package. And the reason why I added Velcro to the back of this is so I could turn it off in the day and in the night. I didn't get that in properly. Okay, and look, it changes colors. And you're gonna add these glass beads back to the light. And I am so sorry I am out of frame. I'm gonna put this down so you guys could see it. Okay, and look how lovely that looks. Now when you hang this up on the wall, it's going to change colors in the nighttime, and I'm telling you guys, it's way more pretty than I'm making it look. If you try this and you like it, let me know. Okay, so back to our previous project, and now we're gonna put our pumpkin together. I pre-painted these plastic bottom of a glass, you know, those plastic glass that we get from the dollar store, but I did not like them. They're too light. Even though they came out pretty, I'll use them for another project. What I did was get one of those glass candle holders, and I am going in with this marker that I picked up from Walmart, a gold marker, and I am going to color it in gold. This was a little bit tedious, so I'm sure if you have like some type of metallic paint, you know, that you probably could do this, or Mod Podge and then do glitter on it, or whatever you feel. If you just want to leave it in the glass, it's up to you. Then I picked up this ribbon, this diamond ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going in and just really just dressing this up the way that I like it. Do what makes you happy. You do not have to do this exactly as I'm doing it. I'm using my glue gun and I am attaching the bottom half. Now this little piece in the middle, like green piece, was too high, so I had to cut that out with a scissors. Now when I had to add my glue with my glue gun, and then attach the Velcro, and then now I'm attaching the plastic orange pumpkin, and then I remove the embellishments from the other two to add to the top of this pumpkin vine that I am making. Now they have the runner leaves at Dollar Tree, also for $1.25, and that wasn't attached properly, so I'm going back in with my regular industrial glue and attaching it. And then I am going to use this vine and just kind of like string it from the top all the way down to the bottom. Again, this glue gun was just not working in my favor, so I had to finagle this a little bit. But if you come up with a better idea of how to glue this together, let me know. But I just wrapped this vine all the way around down to the bottom, and then attached it with some glue at the bottom. And I'm saying there's no real method to this. I just wanted to have a really nice decorative item in my house that, you know, just made it feel like we were in Thanksgiving. There's a lot of things to be thankful for, and I just wanted to just accent my house with some of the reasons I should be thankful, yeah. So I went in and add some of those little cherries to this also to just give it a little bit of character. And I'm telling you guys, attaching this thing was mayhem for me. But once it was done, though, it was absolutely so pretty and so nice, and I absolutely loved it. And here is the finished product. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, if you try any of these items, please let me know. And if you like me doing this stuff on my channel, please subscribe, share, say something, leave a comment. I definitely want to hear from you guys what you think about this craft idea and if it's something that you would try. See you in the next video.